welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I've actually filmed quite a few videos. I just don't know what videos I'm going to post first. But besides the point, I'm really sorry about for my camera screen. I will one day fix my broken screen. It's the glass. Okay. Anyways, apologies done. Today I have a unboxing to do. So this is from a local, and I mean local by Colorado, I live in Colorado, a local bath bomb company, and she specializes in CBD materials. From the company Vital You. Her, as in the owner, her name is Jenna. She's really sweet. I've met her a couple of times. She curated this subscription box. They had one before, and I've totally missed out on it, and I can't remember why I couldn't justify getting it, but it's called the Tribal Box. Vital You Tribal Box, because part of the tribe or whatever. It is a $50 box that is filled with $70 items, I believe, and there are some things that are made specifically for the boxes, and some things that she is going to like make for like release, and because she releases seasonal things, and so sometimes we get it first. Her CBD does not contain any THC, so if you're someone that wants to do CBD, because I find CBD bath bombs just as therapeutic as the ones with THC, but they do not, they relax my body, but they don't make me feel high. So there is a letter in here. It says, "Welcome to the Vital Tribe. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts for joining us on our self-care journey. Each month you will have an array of exclusively seasonally inspired goodies delivered right here to the sanctuary of your home. It is our intention that this box will bring more than any traditional subscription box for a few reasons. Firstly, here at VY, we love feedback. It allows us the opportunity to grow and better serve you. Please share with us your thoughts, and feel free to email Jenna directly at vitaluproducts@gmail.com. Secondly, we plan to incorporate the tribe community into our virtual platforms to open up virtual connections and share experiences with our products. You can help us by sharing your social media experience with these 3-month subscriptions, and be sure to tag our page and use our hashtags below. With deepest love and gratitude, JS, which is Jenna, and the VY team." So that's the letter. So June box 2020. It comes with, it's titled Adapt and Find Peace. I haven't looked at anything in here yet, so I just literally opened it. The theme of the first box, Adapt and Find Peace, was created in essence of the uncertainties and shifts that are occurring to all of us during this time. I created a bomb exclusively for the tribe members called Adapt, and utilize adaptogenic herbs. And there's more details about that. So Adapt is 70, there's 70 milligrams of hemp-derived CBD. Warrior 2 is Unleashed Bath Sand, and Satnam is a daily roller. Okay, so I dropped this, and it says, handle with care, fragile, thank you. And as soon as I got to my home, I dropped it, so hopefully nothing is broken. Here is the inside. So here is the roller. This is the sand. This is, oh, I know what this one is. Did she talk more about what the extra ones are on? No. Okay. Actually, I'm not sure if I know what I'm talking about. No. I'm insane. So there are, I thought she gave like a separate bath bomb. So let me try to open the other two. So you get 3, because I can't seem to open it. I wanted to pull it out. You get 3 bath bombs, 1 roller, and it even says it on here, and I just totally, it says it on the description, and I totally did miss out on it. 3 bath bombs, and usually her 70 milligrams, I believe, are $14. If you guys, I love her bath bombs. If you ever want me to talk about them a little bit more and my experiences with the company, let me know. I'm having difficulties. So adapt. 50? Huh, it says 70 on here, so I don't know if this one's a typo or not. You can kind of smell it. It says grapefruit, rose, sandalwood, neroli, and clove are the essential oils. Sweet pea flower essence as it's like coming home to our body. So the blends of oils is warming and an inviting blend. Use these bombs 3 days in a row, or choose 1 day weekly for the next 3 weeks. All right. Look at the sand. That's what it looks like. It has lots of flowers. I see lavender flowers in it. Sorry, my cat just walked past by me. Lavender, spearmint, and vanilla. Fill the tub with warm water, shake bath sand, and sprinkle into the tub. Use all at once, recommended, or in 2 sessions. Pour contents into an organza mask for a no-soak mess, which an organza mask is this. I am someone that actually saved these. I hope to one day ask her, like, can I just have the bombs without the bags? Because if I can just, what I need to do is wash the bags and reuse it. Hopefully I can email her whenever I do place an order again. I want to tell her that, like, hey, no baggies. I just want the bombs. Satnam is a roller, 70 milligrams. So this whole thing is 100 milligrams, and I actually do love the higher percentage of CBD, the 70s and 100. So Satnam, it has clear quartz crystals and a comforting and calming blend of essential oils. So I am a medical worker, but I do love my oils. I just like the smell of it, and it doesn't affect me like perfume does. So you can see the quartz. I wonder if, I can't tell if there's a gradient in this bottle or if it's just the way the oil is, but I think it's a gradient, which is a really pretty oil. Okay. Ooh. It's kind of like has a woodsy smell, so wood smells tend to be more grounding. I wonder if it has patchouli. I wish she kind of explained more of what was in the oils. It has fractionated coconut oil, full spectrum local hemp derived CBD isolate, blend of essential oils, gemstones, vitamin E, flower essence, and love. I don't know what essence means. I never know what essence means because she has it. Love is like she puts her heart into it. She is a very passionate woman. Let me smell Warrior 2. I think Warrior 1 was in one of her former. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I love this. It does have a grounding smell. Satnam is probably my least favorite smell so far. It smells really masculine, and it sounds silly, but sometimes I just don't like that smell, and it doesn't really blend well with my hormones, and I can't smell how this goes. In the description box below, I will probably talk more about my experience there and like make updates there, unless you guys want a specifically updates video, but that is all, and I will see you guys in my next one, and hopefully I'll get to editing and posting. Bye. Have a wonderful night. Have a wonderful life, guys. I don't know how to say it. It's been a while.